Double cleansing method for skin care. Double cleansing is a popular skin care method that involves using two different cleansers to thoroughly clean the skin and remove impurities. The first step of double cleansing involves using an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup, sunscreen, and other oil-based products that can be difficult to remove with water-based cleansers alone. Oil-based cleansers work by breaking down the oils and dissolving them, making them easier to wash away. After the oil-based cleanser is rinsed off, the second step involves using a water-based cleanser to remove any remaining impurities and leave the skin feeling fresh and clean. Double cleansing can be especially beneficial for those with oily or acne-prone skin, as it can help to unclog pores and prevent breakouts. By thoroughly cleansing the skin, double cleansing can also improve the absorption of other skin care products, allowing them to better penetrate the skin and provide maximum benefits. However, it's important to choose the right cleansers for your skin type and to be gentle when cleansing, as over-cleansing can strip the skin of its natural oils and lead to dryness and irritation. When choosing an oil-based cleanser, look for one that is formulated for your skin type and contains nourishing ingredients like vitamins and antioxidants. Some popular options include cleansing oils, balms, and micellar waters. For the second step of double cleansing, choose a gentle water-based cleanser that won't strip the skin of its natural oils. Avoid harsh scrubbing or using hot water, as this can further irritate the skin and lead to inflammation. Instead, use lukewarm water and gently massage the cleanser into the skin using circular motions. To incorporate double cleansing into your skincare routine, begin by removing any eye makeup with a gentle eye makeup remover. Then, apply the oil-based cleanser to your dry face and massage it in for about a minute. Rinse off the cleanser with warm water and follow up with a water-based cleanser, using the same gentle massage technique. Rinse off the cleanser with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Double cleansing can be done once or twice a day, depending on your skin type and personal preference. Those with dry or sensitive skin may want to limit double cleansing to once a day, while those with oily or acne-prone skin may benefit from doing it twice a day. It's also important to listen to your skin and adjust your routine as needed. If you notice that your skin is becoming dry or irritated, reduce the frequency of double cleansing or switch to gentler cleansers. Overall, double cleansing can be a highly effective way to thoroughly cleanse the skin and improve its overall health and appearance. By choosing the right cleansers and being gentle when cleansing, you can reap the benefits of this popular skin care method and achieve a clear, glowing complexion. Double cleansing is a two-step approach to cleansing the face and removing makeup that has become extremely popular in Asian skincare. The method involves first using an oil-based cleanser to break down sebum, oil and makeup including waterproof makeup. Then, a water-based cleanser is used to thoroughly wash away remaining impurities. Many makeup products, daily pollutants and oils that accumulate on the skin throughout the day are not easily removed with just a traditional facial cleanser. An oil-based balm or cleansing oil is needed to break down these impurities. Cleansing oils contain emollients and emulsifiers that attract oils while repelling water. They gently melt away makeup, slough away dead skin cells, and dissolve oil and grime that regularly build up